Hi, welcome to another video of Property Expert Academy. Well, some of my students asked me, if you can create a video to explain exactly how we buy property from auction room and what exactly we look for. So I thought maybe I'll make a very short video of like in three separate sections where you can see like what we do when we buy property from auction. So first thing first is basically we of course look into any catalog. So this particular one is from All Shop, which is on 25th of May. Now this property particular one, the Boots is the tenant. Is property is investable. It's a freehold building, as you can see on the ground floor is a Boots. First floor is also like used as office. So of course you look at it first is the guide price, and of course guide price doesn't mean is the final price. It's just where the seller is expecting minimum to expect to sell this property for. It could be up, down, or anywhere, or can remain unsold. So that's just for indication purpose. Now, the second thing we do is we go into detail and then into the particular, we find this is lot 4. That's a full address 33 to 35. So that's the building size. So it's two properties together. And then his entire property is basically led to the Boots UK Limited. That's basically official name. There's no break clause. And also, there are locations which are mentioned like the Sainsbury's opposite and all those. There's a redevelopment potential. Property sizes you can see that as well. Then you can work out what per square feet you're paying for. And then also the occupation is in 1978. There are many reasons why you should see why. Because in case if you're looking to develop then and you're looking them to surrender the lease, then you need to see since how long they have been occupying. Because in case if you are expecting them to surrender, you may probably have to pay a good amount of compensation based on the number of years they are occupying. So now that's like a completion date. So they're giving you time that you can have around 6 weeks to complete this lot, and then the in the next video we'll be learning like how to look into the legal documents.